Welcome to Rev Games Academy. In today's session, we'll dive into the fascinating process of setting up a 2D game camera in Unity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding how the camera works is essential for creating immersive and visually appealing gameplay experiences. So, let's get started. Now, the background is singular, but I need to duplicate it and adjust it to create a traveling effect, like in a game. First, create a game object. Right-click in the hierarchy window and choose Create Empty. Rename the game object to act as the parent for the background. Then I will copy and paste the background layer into the parent and adjust the screen. Next, I will duplicate the parent to have 3 backgrounds and position them properly. Finally, I will adjust the bottom collider size as needed. Now, click on the camera and add the camera follow script. Click Add Component, then select New Script, and name it Camera Follow Script. Click Create and Add. Next, click on the script and Visual Studio will open. The follow speed controls how fast the camera follows the target. Target is the object the camera will follow. The offset and X offset adjust the camera's position vertically and horizontally relative to the target. This code smoothly moves the camera towards the target. It first creates a new position, new pose, by adding X offset and Y offset to the target's position, keeping the camera at a fixed Z position of -10F. Then, Vector 3 Slurp is used to gradually move the camera from its current position to new pose at a speed controlled by follow speed and time, delta time, ensuring smooth movement. Save the code, go to Unity. The reference is there in the inspector window. If I need, I will adjust the X offset and Y offset value. Now, drag and drop the player into the target. Save the scene. Click the Run button. Adjust the X offset and Y offset. I will give the value Y offset 2.5 and X offset 3.6. Now, see the difference in scene and game. Now, both the player and the camera move together. Wherever the player goes, the camera follows along. This ensures a smooth gameplay experience by always keeping the player centered on the screen. And that's it. Today, you learned about 2D game camera setup. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Unity tips. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll explore more things in Unity. See you next time.